What's up guys, I'm Zain and today I'm going to show you how to fix mobile view on Shopify. Now first thing you should do is to simply open your Shopify on your browser, then log in into your account, and after that open the dashboard. And now what you should do is to simply go to online store right here, just click on it, then choose themes, and after that you'll have to go to the current theme. Then click on these three dots right here and click on edit code. Then it will jump you into this page right here. Now you have to go to the left side and click on assets. Then here you should search for theme.scss.liquid. And don't worry guys, these files will be ordered alphabetically. And if you cannot find this file, no problem, we have another solution. But if you find it, what you should do is to simply copy this code that I'm gonna leave down below in the description. Then you should put it in the end of the file. So let's imagine that I have found the file, and what I should do right now is simply open it by clicking on it. Then I will go down below right here and press enter, then Control V, and here as you can see I have added the code. Then I'm gonna click on save right here. And that was the first solution. Now the second solution is to simply go back to this page right here by going to online store, then themes, then go to customize right here in the current theme, click on customize, and after that it will show you this page. Now go to the top right corner and choose this option right here, which will show you the mobile preview. Now I have clicked on it. Then here as you can see I have added this small product. Now we have the picture of the product. If you do not have it fit like this, as you can see, you can simply open Canva, and after going to Canva click on create a design on the top right corner, then click on custom size down right here, and after that you'll have to type the size. So I'm gonna type 1024 and 1024, and this is a very common resolution which fit with the computer and the mobile phone. So click on create new, and after that will show you this page. Now you can drag and drop the picture that you need right here and make it fit with this resolution. Then after that you can simply click on share, download it, then get back to your Shopify and replace it with the current one. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you guys in a new video.